izona ekubi bafethu kubi episode number 5 bafethu khuluma kabuwa sashova siyaringa yilelo langa sokuthi sikhipha amaqiniso niyazi it is bafethu asicabani nomuntu asili namuntu remember sakiteni mukwena angichoma ngichosha ngibopha iphondo athi sha ngebrush mfethu uthami as always wizine bafethu happy valentine sambile imali mina ngine problem Valentine nami bayitshontshile mfethu semine ngiexplain manje happy belated Valentine bafethu ever ababelivela emathandweni bafethu happy Valentine whoever bangabelivele kulo hilani emeleni hile emeleni enegoyisha manje ngiyafamba Khotman Lamzino cela introduction yakho Khotman ebangibuza lapha bathi kanti lo Khotman na akaza akhuluma introduction akazathi uhlalaphi Khotman nje ufika ngokuanswera nje mambuzo ama question ezino kazinosi
Yeah, Glenn, ukrenza.
Hayi, izona.
First of all, manbulele the opportunity that you always give us to come to the studio and talk our minds and express our visions. Secondly, uzino if umuntu uyafuna umazi lawe uzawujonga pha ku link ekhoya apha ngaphansi and then afumane more information
yenze izinto ezibelula link
ibe simple because ezinye sawuphela singazikhulumi sibe siyitsala bangaba na uzino was a what nangezinye mina otherwise uzino activist is a one powerful Africa campaigner in the country so le masiqhube from there sithatha from there.
Okay Khotman Lam bafethu remember bafethu ngiyacela ngunikhumbuza unvoting is very important ukuthi uvote why I'm saying this kuzofika la maybe uthi ufuna indlu ufika umthetho uthi awuyithola indlu ungavota asithi votela ini but make sure ukuthi kune stamp sokuvota I don't know but ngizwenza sense one day nakhona man naza sikaze senze sense kuwonke umuntu vota ukuthi one day mawuzothola something badinge istamp kube easy for wena angazi ngenza sense na Khotman
ukuyicacisa ivote is very important each and everyone we country athathe ipart kwi politics ze country because we have seen that we have given a chance abantu abangafanelanga ukuphatha baphatha amathuba ngenxa into ngabana kuye kwathula aba bantu bazibonayo iproblems ukhona umuntu ke wayebhalile into enjalo esithi ithi if you are saying nothing the lawyer ukwazi uthetha will always overcome okanye akuqumelele ngesixhosa uyabona so we need to vote we need to fight for the country we need to be part of these organizations these part that are pushing the agenda yokuthi ngenye imini umuntu omnyama uyawuzayeka ustrugglisha umuntu omnyama uyawuzayeke uba sezintweni ngenxa into ngamana sibambisene mina ke believe ukuthi indaba ethi ivote means that we are united under something so I also encourage people to go and vote and make sure that they vote for their choices the right choices
amandla awethu okay Khotman iphumile sona bafethu sizile indaba zemali ama trillion it's all about billions yabo bafethu imali yafuneka bafethu so now Khotman man iproblem iphi bafethu you can see ikhona inkinga but I don't know ukuthi why ingalungiswa why bafethu kwenzakalani nenzani lapha eMzansi nenza lapha epa la what ilalela ke Khotman yini what's a problem yini lencane le youth ayispan sinabo doctor amaningi mfethu nginabo achoose abayi3 abo 2 or A1 crash yami ani O1 uyangifuna O1 angishela ama nurse qualified amanye ama doctor mfethu uyathola dide abana span and mawuthi sachecka inumbers abantu laba abanama qualification ibhaya then laba abama brown envelope abangena ngamatshotshe ipanini kuspana bona but laba abanama qualification abaspan uyathola Khotman I degree asaspan scholar asaspan ayithola so khambani
Before ndingene ithi enye video bendibukele this morning lentwana iyachaza that xa usebenzise iyeza for ufumana umsebenzi cela ke usofumana neyeza lo wenza la msebenzi because abo bantu basebenzisa amayeza baphela bangasebenzi xa befika ngaphakathi.
yazi kuna something ethi bafethu angikhulumi negender angikhulumi next I'm just saying ukuthi na usebenzisa umuthi ukuthi unwina amadoda but anisebenzisa umuthi ukuthi nithole imisebenzi ngiyadlala okay khotman isho ke manje ke awungitshele si right space thina singabantu abamnyama or usafuna ukuthi thithi siphane ngechance futhi ukuthi hayi man John or Spanban come man this is a second opportunity. We trust you guys now. We have more resources now. And you no longer betray us because of you ready. And we full ready for whatever action nizoyenza. Na opportunity ithathen futhi. Sibone na ukuthi nizoyenza better than us thina abantu abamnyama enibaqhekayo.
Uthi Oliver Tambo. Uthi if we stop fighting and sibeke phansi isikhali funeke siyazi nokubana siyiluzile whatever that those guys were fighting for the guys like about Robert Sobukwe, the guys like about Chrisani, they fought for the not only his struggles but they fought for ukuthi umuntu omnyama athi ngenye imini at this thing we are owner already, but just that there are izinto in between wena with your minerals. So if we stop sanikezela ngepower, it means that we surrender our resources to the same people who have colonized the country, and then now we're giving them back the power back to them. So it is, for me, it's a system epindibuyela same to the same power. I'm against that. I'm against that because it will make abantu abamnyama baphinde bastrugglishe even more, and it will be, our generation is going to be a waste. We will achieve nothing if we give these guys power. We will have been failures of the struggle of the people. So I'm against that. I don't believe that the guys, even GNU is the fucked up system for me. It shouldn't even went to that position. We're supposed to equip our young people, our people, and make sure that they are strong and develop the country.
Okay. Ikrami man man solo kuphathe nina man abaskine efana nesam man man ikrami sebhaya hot man ayinto sesemthethweni manje you get kufuwa every day abomama babulawa njalo bashawa njalo sinqwaba every day like and motor check neibani ebafethu ngifuna ukuba honest and angisulo mjito ofihlayo bafethu ifamily neka kuphi umsebenzi ibest friend yakho nyeke kuphi umsebenzi is because of the two seven zoyenza better than yena it is what it is angili namuntu but ngikhuluma ama fact bazowathatha ama CV yenu but end of the day nyeke bagayisi bani it is what it is Godman ichinwa yindi le efana njengalo ukuthi uSpan babafuna abantu instead utshele younger brother or older brother makulando achoose yakho ukuthi achoose kunespan esingenile and achoose yakho once wayicasha kulo msebenzi ufisa ngathi uyakoloda for the rest of his life or her life.
Yazi it's kukho lento ndi believer ukuthi it's wrong to our society. We do not love each other that much the way we're supposed to, and as people we are faking this thing, and it will always come up in whatever way. When we fake this thing, it will always izabane bad results ekugqibeleni. So talking about that, if bayafakana espani iyenzeka ke ku jobs ezininzi even today that they work umuntu asebenze but kuba omnye ebefakwe ngomnye that funeka umani iba khona into yenzayo. It's crime, that one. If ever kukho umuntu oyenzayo, I would suggest that you must go and open the case, because that's definitely clear crime.
Okay, let's talk about wife or ichiri. In a relationship, uthola ispani, then bathi you need a female azongena kupost ethize. Umthatha ibaby yakho aqashwe kuleso span. Then after 2 months or 3, then you say 4 months, then akutshela ukuthi angisakhona ukuyenza dilani leyo ile mina nabe siyenza because of dala ngibekezele, but I think now is the right time ukuthi ngihambe. Tell me lawo situation, because of I'm talking, so I remember there's omunye umadala ayewa akhulisa umntwana wentomazana for isikhathi eside, umntwana sase crash, umntwana waya e-primary wa secondary waya kuma tertiary wa graduate, but le ntomazana maseyishada yafuna ukungena esontweni nobaba bakho amampela, lo since ahambile wakhohlwa le Stefano lesesimkhulisile before le inja ibaleka. Like experience njalo Hotman, like uhila kanjani izinto ezifana njengalezo ukuthi ube khona impilo yakho yonke, but i-problem hulo mntwana lo wentomazana ovumile ka or umagriza, like i-problem iphi ibe kumama not advising umntwana or I'm lost.
Stoicism sisifundisa ukuthi, thank you. Stoicism sisifundisa, the guys like Abo Marcus, they taught us that whatever problem that you are facing, the first step in order to fix it is to face the problem. You go straight to it head on. Our society is not the way we think it is. If uti sakwenzela umzekelo njani naklen, if lo madala ebengekho waze ngoku wakhona, and then umntwana afuna ukuya kuye, according to Stoicism, you don't have to even react about that. You don't have to regret yourself for helping another person to get what they want. As long as when you are creating your relationships, your whatever you were doing, you were giving with all your heart, you were doing this thing, you were growing this kid. Xa ufumaniseka xa ina 17 kuthiwe ayingowakho, I don't think you can even umcapkela umama khona okanye ube angry about those things. You can just be disappointed about how cruel the people we can be, but you there's nothing you can do. I'm trying to say that akhona no ichinja ngepast, but you must always find a way that uphuma kanjani from the past to the future, because ayiphindi change. If that criminal is a criminal, there is no other way ukuthi ungamchinja ngabe criminal, uzohlalela criminal ayiyo.
Bafethu, yeah, it's hard. You know, sometimes uba worried mona umntwana entomazana uhlukane naye nomama ke, then in the later stage ashade umama womntwana, then ama cousin waloyo baba or stepfather abaripile umntwana because of akusigazi lakhe lamampela. Sometimes ngiyazibuza ukuthi why after pregnancy amajita hamba, why after mntwana amajita hamba, why everything be right but the innocent one makavela izinto azingekho right.
Ikhona into wawudla ngoyithetha ke sisa spana in the ground, that when you enter the market, others baphethe amabhaskiti, abanye baqhuba itroli, abanye baphethe, we are not carrying same thing. And azophuma ngesikhathi esiyi-1. Some of the people bathi xa befikelela kwinto ngabana I have reached le nto bendikuyo, if ipoint yesistenge ibinto ngabana to create this life and then run away, uzothi xa ifikelela kulaa ndawo afile ngathi usucceedile le nto beyifuna, then avaye. So singabantu are different. Zikhona nezi zingena emarket eziphethe ibhaskiti ziphume manje, zikhona eziphuma ziphethe itroli hayi ngesikhathi esiyi-1. So bakhona abantu abacinga njalo, and buyela kulaa nto, our justice system, we have to arrest those people. We have to make sure that isandla sethu siyaqina among those people. People that they do these things and then they run away, that they don't deserve to stay with other people.
So uthi uzino waba nomntwana wabaleka sakuba
you deserve to be jail. Uthi umntwana uzawukhuliswa ngubani ke chap? Like isibaninzi kangaka apha elifini. Ubona amadoda ambalwa amanye asejela athi
yogcwala ejele.
Uma ubaleka uthi lo mntwana umshiyayo uzawuthini? Like uthi makathini uzawuphila kanjani? Uthi makathini, are you creating a murder? Are you that's attempt murder.
Okay, sometimes to be honest, bafethu there's a possibility ukuthi umntwana ama situation aso ayakhoswa abazali, awusebenzi, then icheka kuba pregnant, my pregnant bathi nyeka mbono lo mntwana lo mangabe akakhiphi lutho. Leso sikhathi it's hard awuspan, and don't ask me ukuthi nyenza kanjani umntwana angasebenzi, because of nawe uzalwe angasebenzi umzali wakho. Wait for me ngicede. I'm saying phezukwa lapho, if umntwana aga makasa khona bathe kuwe nyokumbone because of awukahlawuli, leso sikhathi ukhola 2.5, lo 2.5 uyadla kuyo, bhadala irent kuyo, uyageza kuyo, you can in a transportation. So now because of uvuka ekseni wacama uthi millionaire, sekunzima ukuthi ungayobona umntwana wakho because of bathe nyokumbone ungakakhiphi lutho. Yeah, sure, leyo nto bafethu kunzima. Wabona ibafethu, who knows, maybe sigwa hell emhlabeni kule ezulwini because of bafethu kunzima. Yikho sizwala sikhala is because of size ka hell, believe you me. Khotman lam angitshele man, yenzwa yini leyo ukuthi ube ne ex leyo iblockile, umntana abantu awufuni next, afuni ukuzwa next ngaye, umntana abantu uyamzonda, umntana abantu ubuye Eastern Cape, akana family eGauteng, wazohlala eGauteng emcashweni nabazali bakhe, then wamshela nazwana for leyo 3 years. Sen manje umntana abantu yena sekumele ahambe babuyele back to, because of family isaspan, babuyele back to Eastern Cape, then ahamba umntana abantu nabazali bakhe because of nyekaza ahlale nawe, because of kuyabheda awunanga awuthaka awuspani grand awuna nix yayithola. So manje umntana abantu makahamba eastern Cape forever, lo situation umove on ngempilo yakho, uthola umuntu omusha, then masomtholile uyamblocka loyana beku grand anicabana, or I'll move you on uchubeka le nalo lokhu busy long distance makufonelana leso sikhathi kanjalo ngisasho awuspani awuna zinto. Situation eso ispana kanjani?
Ma suggestion mhlawumbe izaba nako ukancinci. Ithi eyam is suggestion that you come on man, as a man you were born to build, to create, to multiply, to movements of the people. I don't believe that they can stop you on building whatever that you wanted to build, or whatever that you want, your goals, to reaching your goals. So in a case like this, I don't believe that untwana urongo urongo xa inovele nje amove on ngolife wakhe and build more of those relationships and enze sure kodwa into ngabantu because ekugqibeleni akalibelanga ekugqibeleni une vision le ayiphushayo khona lento azama uyikhangela ayikhangela be right before focus kwezinye izinto amajita amaninzi they get themselves into relationships they can't afford because even if ungathi hayi it's not about money, there will be money involved. We are not bullshitting about that imali ihlala ikhona. So untwana akaphumle man, relax man, akakhulise ezinye way amyeke lo avayo.
Okay, so because of now other relationship are healthy, wakhona ukuthi ube successful because of a good relationship, wakhona ukuwa because of a good relationship. This thing Z2, sure. You get my point. Unokuthola umuntu akusupportayo, umuntu ayenza sure ukuthi iphupho lakho liyafezeka. Akhe. Then unokuthola lo aba ne-jealous ukuthi mawusuphumelele.
You cut them out. Yabona
apho. Uzongithini? Ngithi unokuthola ngilalelisise bafethu. Ngithi kini unokuthola intombazana le ozothi mawuphumelele ikuyenzele umona because of uthi uzomshiya wena masophumelele. That is why ne-family naye kumele witchcraft because of masophumelele uzomshiya. You get my point? Then kuna Z2 didn't. Sometimes ungasitshela ukuthi problem ikumngani wakho kanti isefamily yakho. I-problem ikumngani wakho kanti ikhabo baby yakho. You get my point? Masimshayendo because of aphumelelo shingani yethu.
Yabona ziba khona ki signs that early signs I believe into ngabana as a man you see ukuthi I relationship yakho mhlamba abanye bazayiphika uyibona I relationship as a man in a very early stage. Your instincts tell you 2 hours is enough. I-instincts zakho zikutshela yonke into, but wena ungafuni uzimamela but ngalamzuzu you give the chance because remember you were born with this heart that here's a lion but with a good heart. uNkulunkulu andiyazi indoda uyenze njani but on those systems, but when ufikelela kwinto ngabana you always give chances, you awupheyanga attention kakhulu when as signs bezimani zivela ungaziboni. You need to see those signs. You need to cut people early in your life awubona into ngabana that relationship you are being attacked because ekugqibeleni if you are being attacked in your career, in your development, and then you give people chances, you won't get where you want to be. You need to cut them very early. There are so many relationships like that, but people refuse refuse to cut those ties because they believe maybe they might change, maybe things are going to be all right, but all to find out things are not changing, things are just developing. Now kungena a family now ipart yale way iyabona ifamily bangabana umntana ethu wena uzamshiya ndo they cut that like it's into eyenzekayo efuna into ngabana. If ever as a man you have to believe those instincts very early. You must get those signs and do something about them.
Bafethu kunzima. It's like family, relationship, uthando, like majita amantombazana is very, 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 very hard. So now, as you know, there's something I want to ask, man. There's something I want to ask. Let's talk about leyo mshado. I heard ukuthi president uthi mawulobolile awuna say noma ungashada doesn't mean ukuthi you own the wife. Let's talk about that. like let's talk about izinto ezinjalo whereby ukuthi it's no longer useful for me to get married because of she have a right ukuyolala naye uzino, then there's nothing I can say or I can do because of bathe angina say. Remember ukuthi i reason capacity asilingani singahambani, kunalabantu laba noma ukhuluma nawe you can see ukuthi aka make sense aka reason. You get my point? Then like leyo isoyispana kanjani ukhipha ilobolo awuna say noma ushadile awuna say.
I think if uzawuyenza officially it will go back
it's
to
official ushilo it's official.
Eish upresident remember kekho yi1 une intelligence team une team around these things, so xa esithi uza na something suba bejonge into ezithile but yabona the researchers kwajongwa the intelligence babona into ngabana hey masize nento enje, but I don't know whether yena ukweliphi side ingabe kwiside lamadoda but akasicingeli man, eminye imithetho abaza nayo ifike ingawacingela amajita yabona, ifike we spoke about last 2 weeks about uNandi Nandi Madida nge-interview ebekuyo about the South African men and the system, and these laws ezizawuza no Mr President at this point zizawuza zisibonise that lantu besivile napha kuNandi ibonile it's really true that as South African men singaphandle sodwa umqolo uvele ngaphandle langeni.
And yazi kucelebrate yobani ikhona ivideo khona uyibukele
The Purple Gang
ni check celebrate abomama. Yeah, abomama kuphela baphakamile. Yeah, yes. You get my point. Then kusho kona ukuthi yini ezongimotivate mina ukuze ngishade umuntu owazi ukuthi angina say kuye. Ngicisa kanye ukuyaka because of angafika noma isiphi isikhathi because of bathe
awumbuzi nombuza like
utombuza.
Okay, let's draw the scenario. Uhlela lapha endlini relaxile, umama kade abuye animazi uphi uyabuya ekseni, thina as a man
sawubona baby. Waubuye early. Waubuye early so today there's nothing you can do. Kumele I can ngizothini because of it's very important. I cover its head bafethu. Okay, hayi ukuthi sikhulumela kaso is because of sizenza ngathi singcono or siyazi. It's very important. Sifunda every day. We want to learn. You understand? That is why you say mafethu khuluma commenta point of view wonke umuntu asimphikisi point of view yakhe diwafuna abona ngakhona, and there's nothing you can do about it. You get my point?
Ikhona into engabalansiyo. If the president uzawuza with something like that and then ba celebrate abantu abangomama, ithini vision is to build these families together, okanye ukhona umuntu ofila ngathi yena elakhe side alikho right emchadweni, or do we need president in between us angene ne government yakhe in between us, because kuyacaca into ngabana there is a problem xa engene ugovernment in between two people.
No, but sizothini bafethu abantu abasiphethe, there's nothing we can do. Sifollowing bafethu ama rules, and ngizwile nase Cape ukuthi bazoyenza umgwaco lapha ku and lapha freeway ya ukuthi angazi umgwaco khona mabayenza bayenza ukuthi bangashayisa imoto abantu angazi. Awona umgwaco lo enban le bathi bafuna ukuvala so ngiyabonda.
Oh, Cape Town. Apha ku N2 andithi there is iKhayelitsha. And then kubekho the suburbs in your the other side.
Yeah.
Now abantu they are crossing phaya xa bedakiwe pha kulandlela. Let me put it according to the government of Western Cape. Bafumana incidents ezininzi abayakhala abantu basemgaqweni abasebenzisa landlela bathi kujulwa amatye endleleni, crime is very high pha ku N2 yabona, like izinto ziyenzeka endleleni. So baza neplan, ithi plan is to create this wall between N2 and iKhayelitsha. If uyayibona iKhayelitsha apha endleleni uyotsho ngakonyanga, there will be this wall ivalayo pha all around. Then kubekho abakhalayo ke ngoku, there are groups of people bayakhala bathi no, abakwazi usivalela because now baveza the inequality of our country. Now there will be suburbs in the left and there is shacks in the right, and then bohlulwe with this wall.
Oh, isa. So wena umothi bathi wena uthini, because ama accident abakhona abantu imoto zashayisa abantu bayaphuza bangena khona ngemistake bashayisa imoto.
Sure.
So wena ibona iplan right according to wena?
First of all ngapha yana kukho ama suburbs yabona, and there are malls and everything. Abantu bakuthi they are using malls ezipha kuma suburbs, basebenzisa some izinto ezingekhoyo kwelicala baye bawele bosebenzisa ezi zabantu abamhlophe isikhathi esibhaya, of which if there is a lack of, if ugovernment wase Eastern Cape uzakwenza ukuthi kubekho ishacks, kubekho abantu that they are lacking on everything, and then kubekho people that they have everything. Obviously there will be abantu bafuna uwela imigaqo bakufikelele kwela side. Then if uthi ke ngokufuna ufake wall, it means that eyona reason yalento, because ingaba abantu base bafa endleleni, accidents and everything, eyona nto into ngabana to make sure ba black people they don't go to the white area side.
So kodwa iKhayelitsha inemall yona, everything ina everything, but azikho advanced njengaleza, azina escalator, bona bawafekela i-steps le baya escalator,
benza shopping center ngapha and then bekho malls kwela side.
Yabona benza isemtuli benza neSontonga,
yabona. Then people who always want to cross by esemtuli.
Yo bafethu kunzima bafethu, ezinye izinto makumele ezilunge at the end of the day bafethu. It's very very important, it's very very important, believe you me.
It's a fucked up system eyenzeke Cape Town. I don't know why the president would come up as azothi in front of everyone athi we must learn from government or say Cape Town by everything. No, for me that's a fucked up system. If ever you've been a Cape Town, uzobona ukuthi Cape Town is very beautiful. On the other side, look it in a real world, real eyes. Cape Town is not, it's fucked up system that is happening there. There is a class, there is inequality. Abantu abamnyama yayazi na baya Khayelitsha side B kweza lami shacks. Then if you Mitchell's plane yazi uzodibana nabelu namakhalati abantu they refer themselves ke into ngabana bona ngathi bakwe second level. Lento zihamba ngake levels. There is a black guy ku shack, there is a Mitchell's plane and Emma Flatini, Cape Flats, the colored people. Then there is a white one. If you go behind the Table Mountain, you will see the real shit that is happening there. That Cape Town is very beautiful, but on that side of the world, to the real people in the ground, it's not.
Nyiwa bafethu, kanyiwa bafethu is very important. Masene ekolweni bafethu, masene ekolweni sithole nama degree, sigraduate ngethome sizibeka amabondeni for ukuhlobisa nje. Masiyene ekolweni singa give up ukuthi sobhema ngihunga because of ile nto vele sideserve thina abantu abablack ukuthi sesikolweni at the end of the day singaphiwa le misebenzi lo sisebenzele masenekolweni whereby basifuna experience ye 5 years ekubeni sibuye esikolweni masenekolweni whereby sizogcwala egacweni sobamba inkunzi masenekolweni whereby sizothatha sivotela abantu abanyeke basenzele next at the end of the day masenekolweni sizogcwala simasheni sishisa idrata at the end of the day lo msebenzi asawutholi abazali bethu babhadele for yonke lento leyo process abazali bayikhiphile imali basebenza kanzima ukuthi same sofunda kulo msebenzi ngeke sesuthola it is what it is. Yeah, but it's going to be hard for us because of sesijwayeze lamajita la ukuthi asiphathe and kuzoba nzima ukuthi thina sisiphathe because of there's a certain things lezi abangafuni ukuthi sizivikele so that sikhona ukusiphatha sisiphethe but siphethwe so lapha kuthwe bafethu ngiyathweka kumele ngiraphe so bafethu it is what it is bafethu khuluma thank you so much nina labo nibhizi subscriber thank you so much nalaba bafethu enlikeayo sabonga bafethu isupport yenu yasinceda bafethu thank you so much bafethu bhala kuma comment ama point of view wenu noma ama question ukuthi next episode sichubeke okusho ukuthi ufuna sikhulume ngani lento ufuna ukuyazi siyazama bafethu thank you so much bafethu. It's very important ukubheka into ukuthi icalapi isiyenzo sakhona ikhosi yento hayo isithole maseyenziwa kubalekile lo bafethu and lento le ibizwa GBV iyo GBV ayibizwa WBV GBV bafethu is not WBV is a gender based not human based because of you notice kuma social media everywhere ukuthi kubheka iside eliwana ukuthi as long kunenye site elimele abanandaba ukuthi le site lona lifila kanjani so leli malisuke lelinye then baliyeka leli lisukelile babheke leli ngoba lona liyindoda yikho lizo attackwa. Okay bafethu thank you so much bafethu injalo lonto Saki John Mokwena angichoma ngichosha gaze ngilibopha iphondo ngishama ebrashi khuluma buwa ringa shova shoshovu ngobudala umfuni mshama ncango kimtelele kasiyemo kimsehla kamala kamatepe mute sipamse nyonyi tula magazini savayidlala sibonge lapho.